Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and Sony has announced the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 compact smartphones at MWC 2018. Both feature the new ambient flow design by Sony and come with an 18:9 aspect ratio display respectively. The XZ2 has a 5.8-inch display and the XZ2 compact has a 5-inch display. Both the displays are full HD with support for HDR content. Both the smartphones are powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with 4 GB of RAM. The phones are IP68 rated, waterproof, and come with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both the smartphones feature 19-megapixel primary cameras which can capture in 4K HDR resolution. Last year's super slow-mo videos at 960 FPS are also present, and this time Sony has bumped up the resolution to 1080p. The Xperia XZ2 packs a 3180 mAh battery, while the XZ2 compact comes with a 2870 mAh battery. The Xperia XZ2 also offers 64 GB of onboard storage along with the option to expand it using a microSD card. There's no word on the pricing of the devices, but Sony has said that the devices will start shipping from next month. Hopefully they will end up in India soon. Thank you for tuning in, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.